Welcome back to the shop. It's a special unboxing video for this evening.
Hi everybody.
Alrighty, we had a visit from Amazon Claus. And Amazon Claus comes visits good mommy and daddies about 2 weeks after Christmas and brings them all the stuff they want. So what we've got, and this should be our welding helmet here, I ordered a Lincoln Viking 3350 auto darkening welding helmet. And it's supposed to give me a little bit better vision when I'm welding. So let's pop this open and see what we've got. I'm kind of excited. I'm looking forward to this. Matter of fact, Uncle Mikey just stopped by, needed a welding helmet, so I loaned him our old auto darkening helmet. So we'll see how this goes right here if I don't pop Mama in the face.
Give me the sharp knife.
I'm going to put the sharp knife away so we don't have any injuries. And I think I'm going to save that box right there for yeah. And box, it came well packaged. I don't see any damage. I didn't see any damage on the outside box. And that's what we're looking at right here. So
Yay.
Let's take a peek and see what we've got here. Kind of like Christmas morning all over again. Alrighty, well immediately I like it. It comes in its own protective bag. Oh wow, and some of the stuff I ordered I don't think I actually needed. But it comes in its own protective bag, so no more of our welding helmet sitting out there in midair to be beat up. Oh gosh, pull it out.
Ooh, Darth Vader, here I come.
Nice fit and finish, looks good. Much wider viewing area than our previous welding helmet, Michael. If you'll remember, that was just really, really small. So this is going to be much better to actually be able to see while you're welding. A lot wider viewing area there. Alrighty. Looks like it's a good quality headband. Looks like it's going to be comfortable, good padding. What do you think about that, Ray?
I like that.
Yeah.
Will it fit me?
Yeah, it'll fit anybody. It looks like it kind of, the size kind of goes down. On the inside, we have our sensitivity, the shade. So this will go from, it looks like, what does that say about there, Ray? All the way up to 13. I'm going to say 4.5 to 13 as far as auto darkening ability. Of course, we can adjust the sensitivity to it and then the time delay on how quick it actually darkens. So a really nice helmet. Let's take a look at some of the other stuff that we got in there.
He can decorate his helmet up too and be wild and crazy.
Look at that. I did not realize that came with it.
Gets stickers.
That's
Yay.
pretty neat. Alrighty.
He gets a bag.
Well, this actually looks like a bandana, a welding bandana. To keep my hair in place, yeah.
Well, you don't have much.
And that's from Foos. That's actually a Foos design. Now, y'all are familiar, I'm sure, with Foos. He's probably one of the premier car builders in the United States. So, really, really nice addition. Wasn't expecting that. Alrighty, now here's some protective lenses. Now, I don't know if this one is for the outside. Both sides. Okay, these are the protective lenses. And what that does is, I'm going to let you hold that for a second. Put this over the outside lens, and that keeps dirt and grime and things from chipping up and messing up your actual mask. And I think these are these are for the inside. Those will go in the inside, but I'm not going to use these. I've actually ordered some cheater lenses, 1.75 magnifying cheater lenses, so it should help a bunch with that. So
there's your.
Okay, and here is the operator's manual, owner's manual, and let's see a quick read on that. All right, I got it. I think we're good. So I'm looking forward to putting this to use. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and let this get all charged up. We'll get everything kind of set up, and we're going to do a welding video sometime probably before the end of the month, and I'll give you a quick review on how that works. But this is really, really a nice bag to put this in. I think I'm going to like that. It's going to keep it from well, I don't know. It came out of there. It should go back in. There we go. And it seems like it's cushioned on this side.
So that's where you want to put the
all right.
part.
So let's put that back in. Now we got some other toys as well. You just pop it in there and set it back over there. Yeah, just set it back in there. All right. Let's see what's in this other box.
Yay.
All righty. Now Mama ordered some stuff too, so she should have her stuff in here.
I'm excited.
The way the order was written, it looked like it was only being shipped from in 2 different boxes. All right. Again, oh, looky here, guys. Boys, next time y'all show up at the house, $96. I figured out why that is. That's dozens of balls. They don't sell it by the hundred, they sell it by the dozens.
But I get to go through them first,
You get to go through them. Mama gets to go through them first. Here's some more of our protective lenses right here for the outside of the mask to keep it from damaging our, and it's a Viking as well, to keep from damaging our outside of our mask. And then I'm going to hand those to you. And these are, I believe, our cheater lenses.
What are cheater lenses?
They're magnifying glasses all there. Yep, that's what these are, is our cheater lenses. And let's see, it is, yep, 1.75 cheater lenses. So, excited and ready to use these. I'm looking forward to this. Mama, what did you get in the box
His welding spots might be a little better now.
That's it.
Okay, what I got in here was some hot stamps. And since Kimmy and
Now,
Dan...
what's a hot stamp?
A hot stamp is metal stamps. These are letters, big ones and little ones, or lowercase and uppercase letters. And what they do is they screw into the end of my
Wood burning
tool
that
that Kimmy and Daniel got me for Christmas. And now I'll be able to stamp basically sayings on pieces of woods underneath whatever I burn. So if it says owl, I can actually stamp owl on it. So that'd be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using these. I'll probably go over there tonight and play.
Oh yeah, because you get that piece of popular.
Yeah, I'm playing with.
Over there.
These right here, I got because I was thinking of your daddy. He wants to do some pins, and we've got some polymer clay over there to actually roll on the pin tubes. Is that what they are? Pin tubes?
Yep.
So we're rolling on the pin tubes. It takes 10 minutes in the oven to bake it, and then he can clean it up and put the pins together. But while he's doing that, I can actually write stuff on the pins in the clay, and then fill it in with a different color clay or whatever. So that's what this is going to do. So I can do all kinds of different sayings on pins for Daddy. So that'll be fun.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That'll be pretty neat.
That'll be fun.
All righty. So that was our second Christmas right there. Hope you all enjoyed watching the unboxing of these. Keep an eye out, watch out for our welding video where we actually go through, we'll use the helmet. I got to find something I need welded. I'm sure there's something around here we can do. We got the shelves to build for our trailer, for our show trailer.
Got legs to build.
Yeah, we may have to, yeah. So we may be using that for that by the end of this month. So y'all stick around and watch for that video to pop out, and we'll kind of review the helmet and tell you what we think about it. I think the first time I use it in daylight, and then probably sometime maybe at dusk I'll try to get a dusk video in and let you know, because that's where I was having the most trouble with the previous helmet, was kind of around dusk time. It was really hard to see where I was welding. So what we're going to do is go ahead and say that's just about it for this evening.
Just about it.
All right. We'd like to say thank you for watching the video, and remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.
Bye, y'all.
Welcome back to the shop. It's a special unboxing video for this evening. Let's see what we got from Amazon Claus. Amazon Claus comes visits good moms and dads after Christmas.
Hi, y'all.
Let's do that again, because you're like, you don't know when to...
Well, because I didn't know you were going to do all that. You usually do all, you start it and then I say, hi everybody, and so I was slow.
Just leave that.